Representative Willoughby Owens from Orangeburg County here with us. Tell us about the importance of this program, if you will.
This is a very important project geared towards two things: leadership, and also it geared towards something that we really need here in America, which is, let me make sure I put this right, ethics in government, local, state, and national.
My name is Brigadier General Kenneth Hubbard. I'm originally from Orangeburg, South Carolina.
I know all your family.
Exactly. But I think the importance of leadership ethics and combine that with science, technology, engineering, and mathematics is key for the kids we have here today from the 7th to the 11th grade, and giving them exposure to folks from West Point will help them grow in the future. And hopefully they either go to West Point or they come to South Carolina State and even join the Army maybe.
My name is Larry Smith. I'm actually from Sacramento, California. I came here today to run the educators workshop with the teachers who brought the students, and we discussed the same topics that the general just talked about. And I also learned a lot about South Carolina State University today.
We're all very proud of you, and we thank you so much for being here and being a part of this and inspiring the next generation of young people.
This was a very interesting day, and I'm sure the students got something out of this today, and I know all three of us really enjoyed ourselves.
Tell us about this program and how important it is, if you will.
Well, it's the South Carolina LEADS, which is Leadership, Ethics, and Diversity in STEM programs. And I just think it's incredibly important for us to come out to encourage diversity in that field, because diversity is incredibly important to an organization's success and improvement going forward in the future.
I mean, how important is it for you to continue to give back, and how much do you encourage others to do the same?
Well, I am the president of the Greater Columbia chapter, and I encourage all of my members to give a little bit of time, whatever time they have, even if they're working, to come back and do something to help our university thrive and prosper.
This is very important. I am very excited. I am very enthused about my students that have won today. One of them won the 500, one of them won 100, and I am very proud of them. I'm quite sure that Mr. Firstner is going to be very proud when I tell him he had to leave, and I am substituting for him, and I am so excited to be here today.
The West Point Leadership, Ethics, and Diversity in STEM program is very important because it reinforces ethical decision-making processes while also making certain that we expose our young people, middle and high school, to the STEM professions.
I'm Alicia Avena de Cruz.
All right. And you?
Tashawn James.
Tashawn James. Do you think you guys will pursue a career in both military and medicine, or military and the sciences, as a result of this experience?
The STEM program, basically, for today, the STEM programs, the activities that we did, it helped us, even if we don't want to, we have some type of background information so it can help us into our future.
I think it was a very good experience. I really enjoyed it. Everybody made me feel comfortable, and I wouldn't mind doing it again.
When you see the fruits of your labor, what do you say?
I'm very humbled and honored. I'm very blessed. I'm a native of Orangeburg, and it shows that we can all make a difference. We can all try to give back, and we can all try to do things to help improve the opportunities for our youth in our beloved Orangeburg, because they are our future.